Hello, here's amazing features that you're gonna like on your new X7. The vehicle is gonna show you what's top view and also is gonna remember path as it backing up and also find a path or parking spot to park itself. Stay tuned.
Awesome, awesome vehicle. So it's a pretty complicated parking, as you can see. You can see the top view there. Not all car will have the top view, so you have to make sure you go for the premium package on this or executive package. I think premium package would have that. Or parking assistance package. That's the one I was looking for. So you get the automated parking and the backup assistance. So one nice thing about this backup assistance, so I just came into this parking over here. I'm gonna actually move forward, and you can see what I'm doing. I'm hoping this is gonna be a useful feature for you. Please leave a like and comment. If there's something I just missed, let me know. So we are looking like a very wide view camera in the front. That's this. You can press this button too. But because I'm doing drive, it went straight to that, so we can see in front of you. I'm gonna do. Parking assistance feature right here. So now you control the brake, the steering wheel will actually back up or turn automatically for you. That's the same path that I just took. So as you can see, over here, it's going back to that path, and the feet are counting down. And you can see how that actually turned. The green, I'm getting close. So just tell you that I was getting close here. And you're turning the steering wheel. And there you go. So it even warns you if you're about to hit something. So pretty nice. And the other feature I want to show you is the automated parking. We're gonna go over there by that car. I'm just trying it. You can go by this car too. I can actually I choose whichever one gets easier for me as we go. So either this one or that black one over there. All we have to do is press this button right here. And back on drive. It's gonna read it for you. Not sure if I'm the right screen over here. Not sure why it's not doing. Yeah. There you go. So this is how it starts for you here. So it said select parking space to start parking. So you have to press that, and then it gives you the turn signal, like so people knows. So automatically, it's nice just to on this one, so you pay close attention to that. So I said okay, and then now start parking. Take hands off steering wheel and release parking brake. So hands off steering wheel. You are controlling the brake. You can see what I'm seeing. I don't know what I'm seeing. I'm controlling the brake. Looks like I'm clear. Pretty snazzy on the parking brake. That's parking assistance feature here on the X7. So completed and secured. Okay. Please leave me a like. That was a nice job. Comment if you have any questions, and I'll definitely research the answer for you. Or if I know it, I'll let you know. And if it's complicated enough, I can do a video. Actually, I'll take a video. I'll do a video of one if people like each other on a specific questions, issue, or answers. Okay. Thank you again for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe to see more. I'll bring more in, and probably about every week uploads on YouTube. And thank you again for watching. Have a nice day.